Hey guys, you're welcome back to another episode of Oyo and Ducky's Kitchen. And on today's recipe, I'm making fat burner. Yes, so it's going to be smoothie and some detox water that will help you remove all the unwanted fat in the system. This has helped me, kept me in shape, and I believe it's gonna help you as well. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be using for our fat burner. So I'll be making 2 recipes. So stay tuned to find out what we make with all these ingredients. Alright, so I'm going to start off by peeling our ginger. Make sure you wash thoroughly to avoid sand. And this is for our first recipe. We are making citrus water, and that will help you a lot when you're going through detox to slim down. All right, you set aside oranges. We are making citrus water. All right, now we are going to cut our oranges. If you can see, I did not cut off the skin because we need everything inside the water. You set aside. So this one as well we set aside. Mint leaves. I'm going to cut cucumber. So now our ingredients are all ready. We are going to line them up in our container and add some water. So stay tuned. As you can see, our ingredients are ready. So we are going to now add them to the container. We have the orange, the lemon, the lime. Remember, we are making citrus water, and that will help you detox your body so perfectly when you're on a mission. So now we are going to add some cucumber as well, more oranges, more cucumber, lime, our ginger, more oranges, cucumber. We are going to add our mint leaves right now. Make sure you wash your vegetable thoroughly. You can use vinegar to wash, or you can use salt, whichever works for you. Mint leaves, some more cucumber, orange, cucumber, more orange, lime, and the rest of the ginger. So guys, I'm going to add water. So this is the first bottle, 16 ounces. And this is the second bottle. So we have 2 bottles of water. We are going to cover this and put in the fridge for it to chill. So guys, our detox water is ready. We have citrus water here. It's going to help you keep you hydrated all through the day while you burn the fat as well, and it's a very good detox for the body. So you can leave this in the fridge overnight, and it's still going to be very effective, or if you like, you can go ahead and drink it, but I would advise you leave it overnight to chill, and then in the morning you hit the glass with your detox water. All right, so now I'm going to peel the ginger for our fat burner drink. This is smoothie we are making now. Is going to help you burn the fat in the body, and this is one of the fastest way to get rid of the unwanted fat in the body. All right, so we are going to cut in pieces to set aside. We're going to cut our cucumber. Alright, so for our green apple, we are going to cut as well. We set aside. And the second one, is set aside. All right, so for our lime, make sure you roll it out so you can produce more juice. So now we are going to blend our power green, as I call them. So we have our apples, our cucumber, our ginger. So we're gonna get them into the blender. And also our kale. So now we'll be blending with 2 cups of water. So we're going to add our lime juice now, and then you stir nicely. Our smoothie is ready. This will help you burn fat if you take it in the morning, first thing in the morning, and also before you go to bed you take another glass. We do thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give your girl some thumbs up, and leave us some nice comments. Guys, this is our final product. We have our citrus water here to help you detox while you burn the fat, and this is our smoothie. You can have a cup of this first thing in the morning and also a cup of it before you go to bed. This will help you lose all the unwanted fat in the body, and try this. Start seeing results as early as 15 days. I do thank you guys for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to Yo-Yo Ducky's Kitchen, kindly subscribe, give your girl some thumbs up, and leave us some nice comments. Don't forget to share our videos too. Thank you guys.